come this way.
Come right down here, and I'll show.
We'll come back to that. Come this way. Okay, with Ainsley, you got to be very quiet because just on the other side of this blue one is Mavis, and she's asleep. So we'll sneak up on her. She's taking a rest. Look, here's Mavis. Mavis, and she's taking a rest right now, so I'm going to be very quiet. Wow.
Very cool. Oh, come take a picture of the plane. Oh, there's the train car.
Yeah. I'll walk down to Cranky Crane.
So what did you want to do over here?
I'm going to go take a picture of the...
That's a really big crane car. Okay, now Uncle Charles is going to give us a lesson in how a diesel works.
Right. Okay, so what happens is, this is a diesel. This is a diesel engine.
Yeah, I can't see a thing.
It looks entirely different from the way a steam engine works. It's got petroleum, oil, the same kind of gasoline. It's like diesel gasoline for your car, except it runs great big electric generators. And then instead of having the steam and the reciprocating valve and the drive shaft, what they've got is a great big electric motor, which you can't see, but it's down here. Great big electric motor that turns these wheels. So maybe there's a motor on each wheel. I can't actually see them. Oh, yes. Yeah, I think that's what it is. There's a motor attached to each wheel. Yes, that's what it is. And this is the more modern way of railroad engines. This doesn't look too modern, but it is. It's the same idea. How about that? It'd be interesting to see the motors. I don't really see the motors though. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. The motors are attached to... How many motors do we have? This engine has 3 motors. I guess it's got 3 wheels too on each side. 1, 2, 3 wheels. So there's a motor per drive axle, and so each electric motor is turning 2 wheels. So in this engine, we have 6 motors. There are 6 more down here too. So that's a really big diesel because it's got 6 drive wheels there and 6 drive wheels here. So we've got 6 electric motors, and they're all being driven by a big generator up there. Very interesting. And the interesting thing is they're very efficient. It takes less gasoline per pound to drive a train than it does a car or a truck.
I think that's right. And that's the Pullman car. And when they get enough money, they're going to restore it.
Yeah, I'm sure that's true.